Hi guys, this is Prerna. Welcome back to our channel Eat Style Shop. I'm here to talk about a few of my favorite books, my all-time favorite books. Now some of them are old and some of them are new, some of them are old but I have just purchased them. But nevertheless, I enjoyed reading the books, and these are a few books that I would recommend you to read if you like reading books, and even if you don't, then you can go ahead and read these books because they're quite interesting and I'm sure that you like them too. So yeah, the first book on my list is this one. Now I'm sure a lot of you would have heard about this book. It's called The Palace of Illusions by Banerjee Divakaruni, or Draupadi is narrating the whole book, and it's Mahabharat through Draupadi's point of view. So that is the whole book about. If you don't know Mahabharat, it's still cool. You can read the book because I haven't read Mahabharat, but after I read this, I do know a lot about Mahabharat. But yeah, so this is my first pick. Moving ahead, I will show you my most recent purchase. Now I really liked Marilyn Monroe, and this is a recent book that I've bought. I still haven't read the whole book, but I really like it till now. It talks, so the name of the book is The Secret Life of Marilyn Monroe. So basically it's her biography, and if you like Marilyn, then you know that she did not, though she was one of the most glamorous people, she did not have a very pleasant death. So yeah, it's a little sad. I would say that the book is not very happy or mysterious or anything. It does by the I'm not completed the book, but I'm sure by the end of it I will be a little sad, but it's a very good read. So the next book is Princess by Jane Sasson. um, I hope I'm pronouncing the names right, but it's a classic international bestseller, and it's an amazing book. Like, it left me in tears while I was reading through. It talks about women in Saudi Arabia, how their life is, and it's something which is very different to the life we lead today. But again, it's a very nice book, and I would recommend that you guys go get your hands on this book and read it. It's very nice. Okay, moving ahead, I have talked. I spoke. So I've spoken about a lot of sad books, like I was saying. So this is a romantic novel, and if you like reading, you know, rom-coms, then this is Where Rainbows End. I love the title. It's by Cecilia Ahern. She is the one who wrote P.S. I Love You. I'm sure you know about that. And yeah, so this is how the book looks. It's a very nice, it's a very cute love story, I would say, and it's written in the form of mails, letters actually. So yeah, it's all in the form of letters. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but it's very interesting. You like reading it. It's like a very Bollywood movie kind of book. Where moving ahead, there is one book which I do not have with me right now, but I would really like to talk about it. It's called The Valley of Amazement. It's a book written by Amy Tan. I do have another book by her called The 100 Secrets. It's called The 100 Secret Senses. But the one I'm talking about is The Valley of Amazement, and it's an amazing book. It revolves around the life of Chinese courtesans, and in particular one courtesan. But yeah, it talks about their life and how she goes through different circumstances in life and stuff like that. So yes, it's an amazing read. If you like reading such books, please go ahead and read it. So yeah, moving on. I don't know which other book to talk. I really like Jodi Picoult. Am I pronouncing it right? The next book is by Jodi Picoult. I hope I am pronouncing her name right. But yeah, it's called The Plain Truth. It's a fiction. Maximum of the books that I'm going to talk about today are fiction because that's what I read. I'm not really into non-fictional books, but yeah. So fictional is my thing, and all of them are fictional. One in the category of mysterious books because that's how the story takes up. Um, I have another book by the author, which is called The Storytellers. The Storyteller. Yeah, this again is, if I have to rate these two books, I would probably say that this one might be a little better than this one. But yeah, you can read any of her books. All her books are thrillers, or maybe mystery books, I would say. And yeah, she writes really well, and the way she builds the whole plot, somehow it just hooks you on. So yeah, it will hook you. So the last book on my list is this one. It's called The Powder Room by Shefali Vasudev. She basically, this is actually a non-fictional book, one of the non-fictional books that I have, and that's because I really like Shefali and the way she writes. She's one of, the veteran fashion journalists we have. And yeah, so the book talks about Indian designers, their life, their confessions, even talks about fashion journalists and how we go about things. I myself am a writer and a journalist at HT City. So I think, yeah, maybe because I could relate to it, or maybe because I enjoyed all the the confessions made by Indian designers or whatever. So yeah, this is one book that you guys can go ahead and read, and that's about it. I think. These are a few of my all-time favorite books till now. If you guys have read any of these and want to talk about it, please do comment in the comment section below and let me know. If you think there are a few books that I should be reading and I haven't read as of now, please do comment and tell me. I would like to read them. That's about it, I think. So thank you for watching this video. Keep watching Eat Style Shop for more such videos. Press the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends. See you later. Bye.